the local ganja industry and the public in general were alarmed to hear that licenses have been granted for the importation into Jamaica from Canada of commercial quantities of ganja for sale on the local market. Canada has repeatedly blocked the importation of Jamaican ganja for commercial sale, so that there is no reciprocity to justify our market being open to Canadian ganja. The only ganja that has been exported from Jamaica has been very small quantities for research purposes, not commercial sale. And furthermore, my understanding is that there is an oversupply of ganja in the Canadian market at this time, so that these imports may very well be dumped on the Jamaican market at prices well below cost, causing further damage to a relatively young and fragile local industry. The reasons given by the minister for such importation to be permitted are quite frankly absurd, and once again illustrate the need for strategic policy to guide the broad-based development of the local medicinal and therapeutic ganja industry. Last year, Madam Speaker, I made some specific proposals for improving the situation now faced by the local industry. When the PNP comes to office, participants in the regulated ganja industry can rest assured that we will pick up from where we left off in 2016, and we will ensure that the industry is taken in a new direction for the inclusive development of a vibrant ganja industry that is guided by principles of equity and giving a helping hand to small farmers to get involved and make money for themselves and their families.